Hi everybody, it's 11:49 and 20 seconds now on May 30th, and this is the main drawing for the Strange Tales 101. Over here are the 22 filled spots. Ian McVinney has said you won the mini, so you get spots 1, 3, 10, and I believe 12. And Barney Stars came in second in the mini, so he gets spots 14 and 19. Alright, so let's roll our 3 dice. Number is lucky 7, and away we go. This is going to ship tomorrow, Thursday. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the final one. 7, spot 6, Mike Fazzini. Congratulations. Time is 10:50 and 20 seconds.